Have you ever felt like your bedroom is missing something? That final piece that transforms it from just a place to sleep into your personal escape pod. What if I told you that in 2026, the rules have changed? The screens you know are about to become obsolete. Tonight, we're diving into the shadows of the tech world to uncover 5 bedroom TVs that aren't just displays, they're portals. One of them has a feature so revolutionary, it's quietly disrupting entire industries. But which one holds the key to your ultimate sanctuary? Stick with me, because number 3 will make you question everything you thought you knew about bedtime. Number 1. Westinghouse Roku TV. Your streaming experience has never been easier with our innovative 24-inch flat-screen TV, designed to enhance your viewing pleasure. This sleek television model delivers a clearer and more detailed picture quality, featuring a 720p progressive scan that minimizes flicker and provides an exceptional fast-motion action visualization. Experience your favorite shows and movies as you've never seen them before. With Roku TV, the leading streaming platform in America, cord cutters can take advantage of an extensive library of entertainment options. You can stream over 350 free live TV channels along with thousands of streaming apps that showcase hit movies and TV shows, delightful music, and even premium channels. This television grants access to one of the broadest selections of streaming applications available, including popular services such as Netflix, Prime Video, Max, Apple TV+, Disney+, ESPN+, Hulu, Fox Sports, YouTube TV, Pluto TV, Peacock, and the NFL, allowing you to customize your entertainment experience to fit your tastes and preferences. Number 2. Samsung 75-inch Class Neo. Uses AI with the power of 20 neural networks to enhance picture quality of your content to 4K resolution, ensuring that the images you see are incredibly sharp and vibrant. Additionally, it optimizes sound for superb performance in everything you watch, making each viewing experience immersive and engaging. Enhanced details come to life with mini LED lighting. Experience the sharp and accurate contrast delivered by Neo QLED technology, which utilizes precision-controlled mini LEDs. This innovative lighting method guarantees that every scene you watch is displayed with stunning clarity, bringing out the intricate details and making images pop. Number 3. SYLVOX Kitchen TV, Small Smart TV. This small TV is specifically designed for kitchen use, featuring a compact size that fits seamlessly on countertops or can be mounted on walls. Its design provides the perfect combination of functionality and convenience, allowing you to enjoy entertainment while cooking or dining. Whether you're following a recipe video, watching your favorite cooking show, or streaming music to set the mood, this TV caters to all your kitchen entertainment needs. Equipped with smart Google TV and a sophisticated voice assistant, this kitchen TV allows users to navigate effortlessly through its features and functions. With voice commands, you can easily access a vast array of apps, streaming services, and even control smart home devices, making your kitchen experience smoother and more enjoyable. This feature not only enhances convenience but also ensures that your hands can stay focused on cooking while still being able to manage your media effortlessly. Number 4. LG 65-inch Class OLED Evo C4. LG's signature OLED technology delivers an unparalleled watching experience, providing stellar picture quality thanks to over 8 million self-lit pixels. This advanced technology allows for an impressive range of rich and accurate colors, ensuring that viewers can appreciate every nuance from the brightest highlights to the deepest shadows in a scene. With 100% color volume and 100% color fidelity, the display captures every shade with remarkable precision, making every viewing session extraordinarily immersive. One of the standout features of LG's OLED televisions is the brightness booster technology. This innovative enhancement magnifies each individual pixel, yielding luminous quality and ensuring that every detail shines through crisply and vividly. This means that even in bright environments, the display remains eye-catching and visually striking. So, which portal calls to you? Let me know in the comments which of these 2026 visions you're bringing into your sanctuary. If this guide helped you see the future of relaxation more clearly, do me a huge favor, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more night owls searching for their perfect screen. Every single TV, mount, and hidden accessory I mentioned, All purchase links are waiting in the description below. Want more covert tech revelations for your personal space? Subscribe and hit that bell, because next week, we're exposing the sleep gadget that's actually stealing your data. Share this with someone who deserves a better bedtime. Until then, dream in high definition.